Follow these steps to set up your workspace. Setting up your HTML environment is very easy. You only need two tools, a text editor to write code and a web browser to see the result. Follow these steps to set up your workspace. Step 1. Install a code editor. While you can write HTML using simple tools like Notepad, professional developers use Visual Studio Code, VS Code, because it offers powerful features such as syntax highlighting, error detection, and code organization. Steps to install VS Code. Go to Code, visualstudio.com. Download the version suitable for Windows or Mac. Run the installer and follow the setup wizard. Once installed, you're ready to start writing HTML like a pro. Step 2. Create a project folder. Keep your files organized by creating a dedicated folder for your website. Right-click on your desktop. Select New Folder. Name it My First Web Page. Step 3. Create your HTML file. Now, you need to create the actual file that the browser will read. Open VS Code. Go to File, Open Folder, and select the folder you just created. Click the New File icon, a small page with a plus sign. Important: name the file index.html. You must include the .html extension so the computer knows it is a website file. Step 4. Write and save the code. Type the basic structure we discussed earlier into your new file. Doctype HTML. HTML. Head. Title, my first site, /title, /head. Body. H1 Hello World, /H1. P This is my first HTML page, /P, /body, /HTML. Step 5. View your work in a browser. Finally, see what you have built. Go back to your folder on the desktop. Double-click the index.html file. It will open in your default browser, Chrome, Firefox, or Edge.